Hello, my name is Rika Kaputra. I want to present my research about non-proliferative diabetic retinopathy classification based on heart exudates using combination of FRCNN, morphology, and AMBIS. The authors are Rika Kaputra, Handayani Chandrasa, Nani Suciati, and Ardian Yusuf Wicaksono. Diabetes mellitus is one of dangerous diseases in the world because it causes other complication disease. It can attack other organs such as kidneys, heart, nerves, and eyes. One of them is called as diabetic retinopathy. This is the outline of our paper. There are 4 chapters in this paper. Those are introduction, research method, result and analysis, and also conclusion. Introduction. Non-proliferative diabetic retinopathy is characterized by, by the appearance of red lesions and accompanied by a change in the blood vessel of the retinal eyes. Heart exudate contain lipid leaks which ship in abnormal blood vessel. Heart exudates so often encountered on moderate and severe NPDR. The contribution in this paper is we propose different features of heart exudates from several previous studies, optic disc and heart exudates segmentation model, and also a model of supervised classification method for the classification process. Research method. This section explains the research sequential methods. The methods consist of 4 main steps. There are optic disc detection or optic disc removal, heart exudate detection, feature extraction, and severity classification of NPDR. Optic disc or the nerve center of the eye is the area in the eye where the eye nerves enters the retina. Faster region-based convolutional neural network or FRCNN, which consists of 2 main processes, namely fast RCNN as detector and regional proposal network or RPN as region proposer. In the future, the optic disc is only detected and marked by the box surrounding it. The segment the optic disc, we can utilize an ellipse to cover the area where the optic disc is located. We can draw the ellipse by specifying 4 points on the edge of the box, up, down, left, and right, and a point in the center of the box. Some of these points as a reference in making the ellipse. Next, heart exudate segmentation. The first, we utilize color retinal fundus image and we use morphological contrast enhancement and morphology reconstruction, and then transformation edge maxima, optic disc removal, image binarization, and dilation and complement, and then subtracted the green channel, followed by image binarization, and the last is heart exudate segmented image. Feature extraction. The resulted image from heart exudate segmentation stage is utilized in this stage. This process purposes to find some feature that represent the heart exudate segmented image. There are 4 features extracted in this process. The 4 features are area, perimeter, number of centroids, and standard deviation value. Severity classification of NPDR. The ANFIS, or Adaptive Neurophagy Inference System, use generalized bell-shaped membership, or often known as bell membership function, as the membership function. There are two NPDR severity levels which recognized by this classification system are moderate and severe. Result analysis. The data utilized in this research are 176 data. In this research, we utilize two experiments. The first experiment used 89 training data and 87 testing data. Second experiment, we utilize 87 training data and 89 testing data. We use k-fold cross-validation in this research, where the k value is 2. The result of testing phase in first experiment and second experiment. The result in first table show there are 74 images correctly classified and 13 image score incorrectly from 87 testing dataset images. From the correct classification, there are 22 moderate NPDR images and 52 severe NPDR images, so that the accuracy of the system at the first experiment is 85.06%, and the second table shows that from the 89 total images, there are 73 images correctly classified and 16 images correctly classified. From 73 images correctly classified, there are 17 moderate NPDR images and 56 severe NPDR images. So the accuracy of this experiment is 82.02%. The conclusion, this paper proposed a severity classification model of NPDR based on hard exudates. The first accuracy resulted in the first experiment is 85.06%, and the second result 82.02% accuracy. So the total accuracy resulted in this research is 83.54%. The future work. This research is part of our big research. For the future work, we consider to integrate other lesion segmentation like microaneurysm and hemorrhage, and build a complete NPDR classification model.